In this video, I'm going to explain the sorting process. A user can sort by category, brand, model, condition, color, and price range, and sort by. So in here, if a user wants to get all the mobile phones, the user will get all the mobile phones, and the user want to see brand new mobile phone, he will get all the brand new mobile phones. So let's say the user want used laptop, that user will get all the used laptop. And also we can sort by color. If we give silver color, there are two laptops that have used silver color. So we can also give a price range. So if I give from 350,000, so 92,000 from 350,000, I will get the products between those two range. So here, see products between 392,000 and 350,000. I get all the products. So like that we can sort. So now I will show you my code. So inside advanced search.php, I have given on change event to each select tag. So every time select tag change its value, like this, it change its value. This function will be invoked, and I am sending this 0 as a parameter to this function. So every select tag has this on change advanced search function. So if we go to script.js, this is where the advanced search function is. It accepts that parameter, and then taking inside this function, I am taking all the elements by id and assign it to this variable. Like I have given each input field and select tags a unique id to get the values. So in here I want to send this data as key pair value, so that's why I'm sending using form data, and I want to send it as asynchronous. Thus I'm using XML HTTP request, and I'm sending this to advanced search process.php as a post method. Advanced search process.php, I'm taking all the values that I get from the front end and assign it to this variable. And in here I have created a query, a variable called query, and written a SQL query. And status equals 0 means I am checking the status of this above query. So if this above query is changed, that means status equal to 1. Status equal 0 means this original SQL query is not changed. So if sort equals, then we come to the if statement, and here we have the sort equals 0. That means this first sort. So if this equals 0, we come to this, we come inside this if statement, and here I am checking if the condition user choose a condition not equal to 0 means a user choose a condition, and status is equal to 0. That means the status is not changed. So therefore I'm going to write this query. I'm going to concatenate and assign this query, and I'm going to give the status equal 1 because now the because the SQL query is changed. And then else if, that means the user choose a category and the status is not equal to 0. That means this query is changed. If that's the case, I'm going to concatenate and assign, and going to give this query, concatenate and assign this query. And in here PID equals 0 means I want to get the model hash brand ID, model hash brand table ID. So in here, if brand is equal to 0 and model is equal to 0, brand is not equal to 0 and model is equal to 0 means this user only choose the brand. So choose the brand. So in here I'm taking select everything for model hash brand, where brand ID is equal to brand, taking that result set and getting the number of rows and looping. I'm doing loop here and fetching each row, and I'm taking the ID. I'm taking the ID and assign it to PID. And in here, if status equals 0, I'm going to concatenate and assign where model hash brand ID is equal to PID. The ID I'm getting from the model hash brand table. Else I'm going to concatenate and assign this SQL. So like that, this is also similar, the opposite. So if the user only choose a model, then I'm going to do the same thing. Instead of brand ID, in here I'm going to give model ID. Then after that we come to this if statement. So this is if the user choose brand and the model. Then I'm going to search by model ID and the brand ID both. And in here the same thing. After that it's the same thing. And then we come to the condition. So if the user choose a condition, then I'm going to, and status equals 0, then I'm going to concatenate and assign this condition, and after that I'm going to give status equal 1 because this SQL query is now changed. And else if condition is not equal to 0 and status not equal to 0, that means this original SQL query, the original SQL is changed. So therefore I'm going to give and here. Same thing in here, color as well. And in here, if from is not empty and to is empty, so that means if user only give a price in here in this input field, then I want to write select everything from product where price is greater than or equal to from. So it has to be, the price has to be greater than and or equal to. So if it is 2, so if empty if from is empty and 2 is not empty, then I want to filter price that is smaller than or equal to 2. If both fields are not empty, if the user give a price range, then I want to do a between. So where price between from and to. Price between from and to, then we will get the price between these two values. So then we come to the else if statement. Else if sort equals 1 means this first sort. So in here all the if statements and SQL queries are the same as the above, but the only difference is at the end of the SQL query I have put order by price ascending order, because it wants everything to sort by price low to high. I'll show it to in here. If I give mobile categories, see, I'll get all the mobiles from lowest price to highest price. So then we come to the second else if. In here also sort equals 2 means this one, price high to low. In here I have given at the end of all queries I have given order price by descending, because we want products from highest to lowest price. So if I give condition brand new, see, from highest price to, if we go to the second page, we have the to lowest price. And then we come to the third else if statement. Else if sort equals by 3. In here I want to sort it by quantity, low to high quantity. So at the end every SQL query I put order by, not this, else if third one, at the end every SQL query I put order by quantity ascending order. Then I'll get all the quantities from lowest to high. So this is the lowest quantity 10, the highest one is 40. And then next is high to low. In here if I give brand new, this is the high to low sort, I'll get from highest quantity to lowest quantity, and that's the fourth else if. Inside this fourth else if I have given order by quantity descending, that means highest to lowest. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.